Imagine receiving a letter from an alternate version of yourself, one who has traversed a different path, made distinct choices, and experienced a unique reality. What would they say? What wisdom would they impart? What regrets would they share? Letters to an alternate self is a poetic exploration of this concept, where the speaker engages in a heartfelt dialogue with their parallel self, navigating the complexities of choice, consequence, and the human condition. Join me on this emotional journey as we delve into the what ifs, the maybes, and the could haves. Letters to an alternate self. In ink stained pages, I pour my heart's confession, a letter to the you who chose a different profession, a path unwinding like a river's gentle flow, where every decision led to a life I've yet to know. Your words, a whispered secret in the dead of night, echoes of a choice that altered our life's plight, a fork in the road where we diverged like branches on a tree, each step a new reality born from the choices we see. I wonder, dear alternate, if you found your peace, if the roads you've traveled have led you to release the burdens we both carried, the weight of our desires, or if the ghosts of our past still linger like burning fires. In your letters, I find solace, a sense of kinship true, a bond between two souls who share a heart anew. Though our paths have diverged, our essence remains the same, a reflection of our shared humanity in this endless cosmic game. Your words, a time capsule from a life I've yet to live, a glimpse into the what ifs, the maybes, and the give, a chance to re examine the choices we've made, to ponder the consequences of the roads we've yet to tread. In this dialogue of selves, I find a sense of peace, a understanding that our choices, though different, are release from the burdens of regret, the weight of our fears, a liberation from the shackles of our doubts and tears. Your letters, a reminder that every choice is a test, a chance to grow, to learn, to find our inner best, an opportunity to forgive, to let go, and to release the burdens of our past and find solace in our present peace. As I seal this letter, I know that you'll receive a piece of my heart, a fragment of my soul, a part of me. In this exchange of words, I've found a sense of unity, a connection to my alternate, a bond of shared humanity.